In this video, I'll show you how to build a slide deck with Gamma AI. Start by signing into your Gamma account. From the dashboard, click Create New. Next, choose Generate to create a presentation with AI. Enter a prompt describing the presentation you want to create. For example, you can type Create a presentation about digital marketing for beginners. Then choose the number of cards or slides you want and click Generate. After that, review the presentation outline that Gamma creates. If you'd like to make changes, edit the outline before continuing, then click Generate Deck. Now customize your presentation by editing the text, replacing images, adding new cards, or changing the layout. You can click on any card to update its content and use the toolbar to insert charts, images, videos, or other elements. Next, open the theme options to change the colors, fonts, or overall design of your presentation. Continue making adjustments until you're happy with the final result. Finally, click Share to collaborate with others, or click Export if you want to download your presentation as a PDF or PowerPoint file, depending on the export options available in your plan. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to build a slide deck with Gamma AI. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.